Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting your originals and deciding why you need copies: archival, distribution, or editing. Once done, pick an online Xerox or print service and create an account. This speeds future orders. Make sure your files are high resolution, 300 dpi for photos, text as searchable PDF when possible. Next, scan or export your document and upload it to the service's upload page. As you upload, name files clearly so you can find pages for later options. Now you configure the print job. You select paper size and whether you want color or black and white. Duplex saves paper and costs less. Choose paper weight and finishes, gloss, matte, staples, or binding so the result matches your purpose. Then use the preview to check orientation, margins, and page order. Make adjustments or crop pages if necessary. Confirm resolution and, if requested, set bleed or trim marks for exact cropping. Once satisfied, move to payment. Finish by reviewing the itemized cost and applying any promo codes. Pay with the secure method you set up earlier. Choose delivery or pickup and note estimated arrival times. After the order is placed, watch for confirmation and tracking. When your copies arrive or you pick them up, immediately inspect for missing pages, misprints, or color shifts. If something is wrong, contact the service with order ID and photos. Most services offer a reprint or refund within their stated window, so act promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.